As you just get your 8 candles below this line, you get this level, these lines just cross down below this level, you just enter your trade and ride your trend. Look at it. This is a very massive trend. Look at, you see, I will explain every details in this video. Let's dive in now. Yo, in today's video I'm going to give you this awesome boom and crash 5-minute scalping strategy. This is a special boom and crash spike strategy that you can use to catch spike using 5-minute chart. I repeat, using 5-minute chart. You can see I'm already getting a confirmation here. This is it. We enter our market at this level right now, which is exactly where this get the second confirmation. And right now the market is riding downward. You see, this is a very nice result. Look at it here. This is a very nice result. So let's dive in now. So let me first of all give you the settings. After I give you the settings, then I'll be able to dive in and tell you everything you need to have. This is Boom and Crash Club 1. Now, let me first of all give you the settings. Then I'll give you the conditions of the strategy. So for the settings, on the main chart, we have what we call the moving average period 15 shift to method exponential applied to weighted close. Yes, it's weighted close, hence LCC/4. That's the settings I have for all my moving averages. So I use this, my color. You can use the same color I'm using, so that when you are used to the strategy, you can use any color of your choice. You can either screenshot this setting so that you can be able to understand what I'm doing. So that is that for the moving average on the main chart. I repeat, moving average on the main chart, because we have only 3 indicators on this strategy. We have the RSI, we have the fifth moving average, also we have another moving average. So that is just that. If you put your moving average, this is what you are going to have. I repeat, please, is 15 moving average. I repeat, 15 moving average. You can screenshot the settings so that I can be able to set it up for you. Now, for the window indicator 1, if you look at it very well, we have the relative strength index and also we have the moving average. For the relative strength index, let me give you the settings, please. For the relative strength index, you can use period 2, apply to close levels. You have 5 levels. You have the 90 levels. Which is the sell zone. I have the 10 level, which is the buy zone. You have 50 level, which is the hum level. What I mean by hum level, those that are catching the market, or those that are scalping the market, especially those that are scalpers. If you are a scalper, this hum level is for you. This hum level is a special level where scalpers take their profits there. And also, let me tell you something here. This TB zone, this TBP and TPS, TPPB, it basically means take profit for buyers. This TPS, take profit for sellers. You have these levels, you are very good to go. You can use the red, the style is red. You can use my own color, so that after you are familiar with the strategy, you can be able to use your own color, please. So that is that about this awesome boom and crash 5-minute scalping strategy. So let's dive in now. So for the main chart, or for the relative strength index, we have it. So the main one, so if you put the relative strength index, if you put those levels, this is what you are going to get. This red line is 1, 2, look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have these 5 lines. That's just it. So let's go to the window indicator 1. Also have a moving average inside. So add the settings for the moving average. If you look at it here, the moving average, it has period 33 shifts to method exponential applied to weighted close HLCC/4. The style is green. You can use any other style you want. When you are familiar, you can use my own styles here, so that when you are familiar with the strategy, you understand how the strategy works. You should be able to make money. You should be able to change these settings to your own color. By then, you are able to understand fully what the strategy entails. So if you set this thing very well, this is what you are going to get. This is it. This is, in fact, if you set this thing very well, this is what you are going to get. You can see this is where we got our entry here. Immediately, this green line inside the RSI turned back and started falling down. That is how you can take your trade. So you are going to take trade using these 2 simple rules. So since we already got the settings, let me give you the 2 conditions for this strategy. Number 1, for the zoom level, this is the last zoom level. You can use 1. You can add another one, 2. This is okay. I think this is very, very okay. So now, how do you enter trade with this strategy? For sell, you can use this. For buy, you can use the opposite. So now, look at it here. You see, this thing, this moving average inside the RSI has touched what? In fact, it even go above what? Above the 90 level. What happened? It sharply come down and started trading below the 90 level. That is your what? That is your first confirmation. Your first confirmation is just for this moving average to touch this 90 price level. Or I should say it touched the sell zone. When the market enter into that sell zone, you will wait. You are not going to enter, you will wait. You will wait and see if it is normal spike. You need to see a very good spike published below this line. But if it is normal candle like this one, you'll just count. Let me show you. You'll count this. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get objects. You see? So this is it. This is the first candle that closed, open and close below the moving average on the main chart. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Immediately after 10 ticks, after 10 candles, I repeat, after 10 5-minute candles, when you have 5-minute candles that printed up to 10, you can just execute your trade. That is why we enter our trade. If you enter your trade, you should wait for the market. Like here, market has even hit our stop loss, but because I did not take out my positions, the market continued the downtrend. This is just like a normal pullback. This is just like a normal pullback. But what happened? Market continued the trend. If you calculate it here, it reached up to 10 candles that you are going to execute your trade. It's very, very simple to get. It's very, very easy to get. Let's get another. This is another one. This is it. This is why it started trading below the 90 level. What happened? Let's count some candles here too. This is 1. So let's even count from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is your entry point. This candle is your entry candle. And if you have entered using this entry candles, market has gone above you a little bit, market continued the downtrend, you see. So sometimes I want you to be very patient, especially when you are trading against spike. When you are trading against spike, if you have some few spikes here, as far as the market is not trading above your entry very well, you can allow the market to go. You can allow the market to go, I repeat. You can allow the market to go. Now, I want you to understand something. This strategy is very, very simple. In fact, let's even go to Crash 1000 so that I should show you for Crash 1000. This is it. So this is for Crash 1000. For Crash 1000, you are going to buy or sell. It depends on what you are trading. You can see the one I just showed you. I was selling this strategy. I'm currently selling Boom 1000. I always buy Boom 1000 because this strategy is for buy and sell. You can use it to catch spike. You can use it to take ticks. You see, I'm currently selling this market. You can see I use a small lot size 0.05. So please, if you are having big account, you can use a big lot size. If you are using small account, you can just manage your small account and see what you have from the market. This is Boom&Crash Club 01. Now, that's what I'm trying to tell you. For Crash, you see the same confirmation. Look at it here. You see, this is the price is trading below the buy zone. What happened? Price has started trading above the buy zone. What happened? Just look at it here. From this market, let me show you your entry price. You see, this is why you have gotten it. So you will count. You can start counting from here. 1. You can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not up to 10 count. Then a small spike comes, so you will not count from here. You count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our candle that we are going to buy. I want you to understand, you always need to have 10 candles when you are trading against spikes. You need to have 10 candles or 5-minute chart before you execute your trade. That is very, very nice and it's very, very easy for you to understand. Let's even check Crash 300, the same thing. The strategy is very easy. It's very, very simple. It's not complicated. Please. My chart is loading. I want to check on Crash 300. Let me check on Crash 500. When you are trading against spike, always take 10 candles before you execute your trade. Since my network is a bit wild, now you'll continue to take your trade. Somebody will ask me, please, when will somebody take profit? For somebody that is scalping, That was the reason for this TPB and TPS. TPB, take profit for buyers. TPS, take profit for sellers. Look at these two lines very, very well. Take profit for buyers is around 75 level. Take profits for sellers is about 25 level. So somebody is selling from here. If market come into this TPS, you can execute your trade. If you understand market structure very well, you know that market have a high tendency to continue the trend. You can hold the market. But somebody like me, I will always execute my trade. If I'm selling, I will take profit here. If I'm buying from this level, I will take profit at this 75 level. So that is what I want to understand, and this is exactly what you need to understand from this strategy. Please, if you are finding any value on this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to loved ones so that you can be able to understand everything I explain here. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop it down in the comment section. I'm fully 100% ready to explain and understand your question. This is Boom and Crash Club 01. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.